not what you think. It is not a dog. It is one of the most terrifying animals according to our cultural legacy. A symbol of treachery and cunning in many people's myths. But this is not the truth. We created that. We kept telling those bad stories about this wonderful creature. The most wronged animal in human culture. The wolf. The skillful hunter. A wild animal that fixes what we ruined from Mother Nature. A good father, loyal husband, wise female, a righteous son, characteristics, traits that some people may not have. Follow, subscribe, and activate the bell to watch the whole video.